In this video, I am going to show you some shortcuts to be used in Catia V5. For example, let us assume I am going to create a model. I want to dimension it. Okay, each and every time there is no need to go to the dimension command and put the dimension for a particular part. Okay, so we can able to repeat. There is no need to go to the command every time. For example, here I have drawn a circle. Okay, let us assume I am going to draw one more circle. Okay, this is a manual method. Okay, if I want to repeat this without going to the command, circle command, I can able to repeat it. How it is? You double click on this. You double click on the circle command. For example, now I'll try to delete this. Okay, double click on this circle command. A circle is created here. Okay, now I'm going to create one more circle without going to the circle command. This is one more circle I have created, one more circle I have created. Okay, this is a one shortcut. So in order to escape from this command, you press escape button on the keyboard. Okay, this is a one method. And in order to select all these things, you drag like this. Okay, hold the left mouse button and drag like this. So press delete button on the keyboard, it will going to delete. Fit this. Now drag like this. Okay, hold the left mouse button. Okay, so next one is, for example, I will show you once again this. This is the manual method of repeating the circle. Okay, now I want to repeat the circle without going for the command. So what do? You double click on this. So a number of circles you can create wherever you want. Now I'll apply the same concept for dimensioning of these various parts. Okay, double click on this. If you single click, what will happen? See here. If you single click on this command, dimension command, okay, I want to dimension this part next. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, even if I click, it's not going to dimension this part. So what do? In order to repeat that one, you double click on this command. Okay, see here, I can able to dimension the various parts without going for the command each and every time. Next one is, I want this line to be tangent to this circle. So what do? Press Ctrl key on the keyboard and select these two. Go for this constant command, click tangency. So this symbol indicates that this is tangent to this circle. Okay, this is one method. Another method is, click on constant, you select this and this, right click the mouse button. Okay, select the tangency here. So this is the second method. Now let us create one circle here, one line here. And one more line here. Okay, I want this line to be perpendicular to this. How do? Select this and this, right click on the mouse button. Okay, click over perpendicular here. So this line has become perpendicular to this. Okay, sorry, this line has become perpendicular to this line. So this is a one way of doing it. Now I want this line to be parallel to this. I'll select this and this, then right click the mouse button, click over the parallelism. Okay, so both the lines become parallel to each other now. This indicates that both the lines are parallel. Okay, now I'll select this profile. Let us assume I'm going to create randomly like this. Okay, I want a mirror image of this about this axis. Okay, how do you do? To select this, mirror. Okay, sorry. I'll select the oval sketch, then I'll go for mirror, then I'll click over the axis. So this is a usage of mirror command. Now what I do, I'll create one more sketch here. Okay, so next command is a trim command. Okay, so here there are so many options are there under trim. So I've selected quick trim. Now I want to trim this line. Okay, you click over here. Okay, so this line has been trimmed now. Now I want to trim this portion. Okay, select this command. Again trim here. Okay, if you double click on this, this will be repeated. Okay, you click over here, click over here. There no need to go to the this command every time. Okay, this is a usage of the trim command. Next one is by using this, okay, I can able to draw the lines. Okay, if I want to change this line command, what do you do? Just you drag like this. For example, I'll show you. Okay, so it is changing from what? Just you drag at the end. Okay, this is the end now. Just to, in order to change the command, just you drag it. So this is a line command. Just you drag here. For example, here. Just you drag here. In order to change from its command mode. Okay. So this is a usage of this profile command. Okay. What I do, once again, I'll show you here. Okay. This is a line command. Okay. Okay. In order to change from line to circle, you can do like this. Just you drag it. Okay. Here itself you need to drag. Okay. Don't click over here. Don't click over here. Just you drag it. Hold the left mouse button. Okay, you can change the command here. Next, here this is our circle, this is the end point of our circle here. For example, I want to change from circle to a line command. What do? You don't click over here, just you drag. Okay, or if you want to use, you can use the circle command also. Okay, this is a line command, this is a line command, this is a line command. So in order to change from line to circle, what do? Don't click over here, just you drag. Okay, it is changing. Okay, you can draw the one more line, or you can draw the circle also. Now, how to make the given sketch symmetric about either about this axis or this axis? Let us see here. Okay, I'll take the rectangle command. I want this dimension to be symmetric about this axis. So what I do, I'll press Control key on the keyboard. I'll select this line and this. Next, the third one is axis. Now this dimension will become symmetric about this axis. Now click over the constant command, select the symmetry. Now this dimension has become symmetric about this axis. I want similarly this dimension to be symmetric about this axis. So what you have to do, you need to select these two lines. Press Control key on the keyboard, select this line, then press click on this axis line and select the symmetry. Okay, so all the dimensions now have become, or the sketch has become the symmetric about this axis as well as this axis. Now let us consider another case here. What I do, I'll select rectangle command. Now what will happen here, you see here, press Control key on the keyboard, select this, and second one this, and second one, third one is this. See here, now the sketch is moving away from this. So in order to prevent that, what you have to do, you need to select first the lines, last should be the axis line. See here, now the sketch is not moving away from the axis. Similarly, if you want to make this dimension to be symmetric over this, what I do, select this first, this is second line, this is a third, last you need to select the axis line.